Wait a second. How many paid apps do you have on your phone right now? Canva Pro? ChatGPT Plus? Grammarly Premium? Now imagine I tell you that there are 10 free AI websites that can do all of this, and some of them even outperform paid tools. Watch this video till the end, or keep wasting your money. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about 10 free AI tools that will save you time, make your work easier, and boost your productivity. This video is for anyone who wants to get things done fast, students, freelancers, or professionals. Let's get started. Tool 1, Perplexity AI. It's like having Google and a smart assistant rolled into one. Ask it any question, and it gives answers from real-time internet sources. It also shows you where the info came from, so you can verify everything. Perfect for researchers, students, or anyone who wants accurate info quickly. I personally use it when I need to double-check facts fast. Second is Gamma. If you've ever spent hours on slides and presentations, this will blow your mind. Just type your topic, and it creates a full professional presentation in seconds. Fonts, colors, layouts, all done for you. It's perfect for client meetings, school projects, or pitching ideas. Seriously, what used to take hours now happens in just 10 minutes. Third tool is Murf AI. Need a human-like voice for a video or podcast? Murf has got you covered. Type your script, pick an accent and tone, and it generates natural-sounding voiceovers. Even free plans give enough output to get started. I use it for short educational videos, and people often tell me the voice sounds super real. No robotic tone at all. Fourth is Ideogram AI. Creating AI images used to be messy, text on images often looked wrong or jumbled. Ideogram fixes that. Your images come out clean, text perfect, and ready to use. YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, marketing banners, all in minutes. It's beginner friendly and even the free plan gives impressive results. Fifth is Fluorite AI. Writing emails, messages, or reports? Fluorite makes it fast and polished. Type a few words about what you want, and it generates a professional draft in seconds. It's a lifesaver for freelancers and office workers alike. Even simple messages look more confident and professional. Sixth is Suno AI. Want background music or songs for your projects? Just describe it, like soft acoustic guzzle or cinematic beat, and Suno creates it. It even generates vocals and lyrics if needed. I tried it once, and honestly, I just sat there listening for 5 minutes. Perfect for content creators and music enthusiasts. Seventh tool is Consensus. Need trustworthy answers from scientific research? This is it. Ask questions about health, science, or psychology, and it summarizes peer-reviewed papers. No random blogs, no opinions, only real data. It's perfect for students, health-conscious people, or anyone who wants credible answers fast. Even better, it's completely free. Eighth is Remove.bg. One simple thing, it removes backgrounds from images instantly. No Photoshop, no pen tool, no masking, just upload and done. Great for e-commerce, social media, or any creative project. I often use it when I need a clean product photo in seconds. Ninth is the Perplexity Plus Claude combo. Have long documents or legal texts? This combo summarizes them perfectly. The output is natural, easy to read, and free. I personally use it when I need to understand complex papers quickly. It feels like a smart human assistant, not a robot. 10th and last is Pika Labs, Kling AI. Want cinematic videos from just text or images? This creates them with animated characters, realistic lighting, and professional effects. Used to need a full production team, now you can do it alone in minutes. Even the free version gives surprisingly good results. So, these were 10 free AI tools that can replace many paid ones. Try them out, save time, boost productivity, and work smarter. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and comment which tool you'll try first. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.